Hi everyone and welcome. My name is I just stopped there. I don't know my name. My name is Shaha and today I'm gonna use Pythagoras to solve this problem. So what do we have here? You can see the picture. So where actually they're talking about the drain pipe and runs down the wall of a house, then out to the road as shown, and we need to find the length of the pipe. Now, what we can see, yes, it's beautiful. This part here is given, okay? But then we have this part that goes out to the road, which I think it's called slanted or something like that. If not, we're gonna call it slanted, slanted, slanted. And we do have the part that is on the road. So, and we do know the values, like this one here. Now, because we don't know the length of the slanted part, so we need to calculate this. And aren't we lucky? Because if I look at this picture closely, can I zoom it in closely? Let's have a look. Yes, I can. So I can see that we have right angle triangle, don't we? So, because the wall is making right angle with the road or with the ground. So now this is given 1.2. We don't know this. This is given 4.3. This is given 1.35. And this part here is given as well. No, it's not. But because we do know that this one it's 3.2 and all of it is 3, then we do know that 3 take away 1.2 is, let's choose another color, is 1.8. Now we have two sides given and we don't know the third one, that's the opposite right angle, and it's called hypotenuse. Once we find this x, pretty much what we can do, we can find the length of the pipe. So why is this important? You may think like, I don't care. I do care because we're gonna go to Bunnings to buy this pipe. Bunnings, in case you haven't heard of Bunnings. So we're gonna go there, and sometimes pipes are expensive and we want good quality, of course, and better quality usually is more expensive, and we don't want to buy extra pipe that it's not gonna be used because we don't want like wasting stuff and money. So therefore we would like to know exact length, and that's the reason why we are trying first to calculate the slanted part of the pipe and then add them together. Now, let's have a look at this. X. So, according to Pythagoras' theorem, x to the power of 2, which is the longest side of the right angle triangle and it's called hypotenuse, is equal to 1.8 to the power of 2 plus 1.35 to the power of 2. Now, please don't think that I do calculation in my head. I have already calculated. So, and when you add it together is 5.0625. Now, we have x to the power of 2, but we do want x. And as x is bigger than 0, we're only going to deal with positive numbers. So x is equal approximately 2.25. 2.25. Did we have any units? Yes, we did. So meters. Now we do have the length of the x, but we do need to find the length of the pipe. So therefore, the length of the pipe is equal to what? So what do we have to add? So we have 1.2 plus slanted part, which is 2.25, plus the part on the road, 4.3, and all together, when you add it up, is going to give you 7.75 meters. Okay, and that will be it. So now you have calculated the length of the pipe that you need to buy. So, and I'm just going to say that this question is from Hazy Book. So, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!